to post longer videos on Twitter or X. So first thing you need to do is to go to the official website of Twitter. So make sure you have logged in your account. So next thing you need to do is, in this case, I have been logged in my account on Twitter. So next step is you have to go to your profile, and there you have to click on this post button right here. And then on this setting, options will appear where you can click on GIF, um, enhance your post, poll, emoji, and schedule. So you have to click on this first option button right here that says media. And then your files will open up and you have to select the videos you want to upload. So for example, this one. So I'm just using any videos that I want. So if you want to post longer videos, you just have to be a premium user here on X. But for example, in my case, this video is 2 minutes and below, so I can still post this video. So as you can see right here, it's still processing, but I can upload it because the duration of my video is only 1 minute and 21 seconds. But in your case, if you are uploading a 3-minute video or above, you cannot upload, and another dialog box will appear here, or you cannot click on this button right here. So if that's the case, unfortunately, the only way to upload a longer videos is for you to have a premium account or be a premium user here on Twitter or X. If you have any questions, leave us a comment down below. We'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.